Here we've got a Tascam DA-38. Really cool unit. I got this one donated to me. Actually, it has the remote with it as well. Right now, I'll turn it on. You'll see there's a problem with it. The tape is stuck in. That's really cool. I love that. So yeah, so it just there's tape in there, and it just won't come out. So I'll stop the camera. I can pull this thing open, and we'll see if we can get that tape out and get this thing working. Okay, so we got this puppy open now. Now I've actually got the deck loose. I've turned it on a couple times. The tape is still stuck in there. I've got the deck loose, and I think I'm going to take the deck out. The deck is held in place by 3 small little screws. One right there. You can see the hole where it's come out. There. And another small one on this side here. And looks like it's just come right out, so I'm going to unhook all these cables here, which are nicely loomed through. Actually, I really see it coming. It's a very well put together unit, as you can see. Just this will be helpful as well to tell where things go. So yeah, let's get that deck out of there. Okay, I've got the deck out here, and I've taken this motor on this side, is obviously responsible for the mechanism for getting the tape out. I'm not sure what you call that, but anyways, I've taken that clip off. I've got it connected to my DC power supply. I've got it, I didn't want to blow the motor, so I've got a very low current, maybe 4 volts. I had it on 2 volts, and it was started ejecting the tape, but didn't quite get it. Let's see. Try this. Oh, no, I shouldn't do that. Try to do this while holding the camera. Let's see if this works. There we go. There we go. Tape came out. We'll see what's wrong here. Still kind of. Anyways, I'm going to turn off the camera here just so I can see what's happening. But anyways, pretty happy about that. So I got the tape out, and I don't know if it's just that I don't know a whole lot about these tapes, but I really don't. It looks like they have gears inside. Tape doesn't seem to be turning. I've tried to pull the tape out, and it does come out if you pull it hard, but I've wound it back in, but it doesn't seem to be turning correct. I'm hoping that was the problem, but luckily I have a bunch of brand new tapes that I can put into this machine, and we'll see if it's a problem with the tape. So I'm gonna grab a new tape. We'll put it in, see what happens. So we have a brand new tape. Something satisfying about recording onto something like this, and, not having a file on a computer or something. Just something about it. Anyways, let's get this thing in there. So not quite sure what's going on here. So I got the tape out. I got a new tape on its way in, but now it doesn't want to go in. So that's about it for me for today. I guess that's kind of why these things are not as popular, I guess. It's the mechanical mechanism with all kinds of moving parts and all kinds of things can go wrong. But, you know, I will get into this again, and I'm going to get this thing working for sure. It's not going to happen today. So this will be a part 1 video, and hopefully there'll be a part 2 very soon.